Are you a super genius at mathematics? Unfortunately, most of us are not. But you can get much better at math by learning how to use the Python programming language as a tool to help you understand concepts and visualizations and formulas in mathematics. And that's why I created this course. In this course, you are going to learn how to code your math problems into Python. Now, to be clear, this isn't about cheating on your math homework. This is about learning how to let computers deal with the low-level details so you can focus on building intuition about important concepts in math and how to connect abstract mathematical concepts with visualization. The skills that you will learn in this course will make you quicker in your math class, better on your exams, and more confident doing data science and machine learning applications. I cover a wide range of topics in mathematics, including arithmetic, algebra, trigonometry, calculus, linear algebra, and so on. And because this is a dynamic and ongoing active course, I'm adding new videos and new features to the course every few months. This course is right for you if you are currently studying math or getting back to math after taking some time off. In this course, I focus much more on developing the skills to use Python to help you learn a variety of topics in mathematics, as opposed to endless drilling of one narrow topic in mathematics. Don't know anything about Python? Don't worry, I will teach you everything you need to know, starting from the absolute basics. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and some motivation and a positive attitude. Thank you for considering this course. What you should do now is check out the preview videos below, read the course description, and see what other students have to say about this course and about my teaching style in my other courses. And when you're ready, sign up and get ready to learn. I look forward to seeing you in the course.